To formally start the program, may I call on Micaela Gwen M. Enriquez with highest honors to deliver her welcoming remarks.
To our school principal, Mrs. Minette K. Jenta, Pastor of Jacinto, our pastor, to our class advisor, Miss Annalyn De Vargas, dear teachers, fellow brothers, parents, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Indeed, we have a reason to rejoice and be glad. Because this is our graduation day, the day when all our hard work in class will be recognized and rewarded. I am privileged to have simple school as an instrument of my primary education. For me, mayaman to be knowledgeable and mayaman to be virtuous Christian, since knowledge is virtue. I, on behalf of the kinder students, with utmost joy and pride, that I welcome all of you to our moving up ceremony. As my mom and dad said, this is the first several moving ups in my life, but I am not afraid. As I and will be excellent Christian education provided by Simple School Tondo. Again, welcome to school